So, we don't have surveillance of mental health, and you just gave me an idea. Maybe I will start trying to record that through online reporting of mental health during the holiday season. Because we don't do surveillance of that. Ang sinasurveillance natin ito. Dati, paputok lang, fireworks related. Last year, pinadagdag kong i-monitor itong heart attack and stroke. Kaya ngayon, meron na tayong numbers. Maybe next year, idadagdag ko yan. Yung mental health, depression, loneliness. Sapagkat, alam mo yan eh, 40 years ako sa emergency department ng PGH. Sometimes, they will come to you, masakit ng dibdib, nahihirap ako huminga. Pero yung pala, ang problema nila, mental health. They have, they're lonely, their families are elsewhere, yung tatay niya nagtatrabaho abroad, malungkot sila sa Pasko instead of happy. So nag-somatize din yung mga mental health. Some of them present themselves with somatic signs. Kaya kan minensyo ko kanina at ulitin ko, 1553, yan yung aming helpline ng National Center for Mental Health. 0919-057-1553 at 0917-899-8727. So very important yan with the era of social media. Kita nila yung mga kaibigan nila, masasaya, kasama yung family. Tapos sila, OFW pala yung nanay niya o tatay niya. Tapos wala siya sa probinsya niya kasi nag-aaral siya sa Manila, hindi siya nakauwi. So tumataas talaga yung loneliness. Meron din yan, yung mga dinrake ng boyfriend nila at saka girlfriend nila, yung holiday season. Yan, marami din causes yan. So yung heartbroken during the holiday season. Tapos isa pang nagpapadagdag, pinag-usapan natin Tina doon sa Pinasigla. Pagdating ng reunion, nandiyan na yung kamag-anak mong ayaw mong makita. Makikita mo na doon sa family reunion. Tapos, tatanungin ka na kung ano-ano mga tanong. Ang trabaho ngayon na. Tapos, kailan ka ikakasal? Ba't wala ka pang anak? Tagal mo na nag-asawa. So yung mga tipong asar, di ba? Mga pang-asar. So lahat yan, let's all be kind to each other. I think let's also be sensitive to how others would feel and then be kind. Yun lang naman, Pasko tayo ngayon. So, joy, happiness, peace tayo.